What's going on, y'all? It's osaro.jpeg from Lids and Kicks. Welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, I have an unboxing and on-feet sneaker review for the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. And thank you for tuning in today. This video took a little bit longer than usual, but today I do have a new sneaker review, and this time for the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha that released on Halloween of this year. This is my first W that I caught on the Nike sneakers app. I feel really accomplished, you know, like I hit the lottery or something. So yeah, I have these Dark Mocha Air Jordan 1s, aka the budget Travis Scotts, as I like to call them. And this Mocha Jordan 1 right here is probably the most anticipated sneaker release of the year. I've been hearing about it for the past like 4 to 6 months or so. Really just because of, like I said, it's pretty similar to the Travis Scott Jordan 1. It's pretty much like a substitute for anyone that didn't get the Travis Scott Jordan 1. Similar to the Travis Scott, it has that that mocha brown nubuck suede material going around like the heel and the ankle. And then just like most Jordan 1s, it has that black leather around the toe box. Yeah, these were available for 170 bucks on the Nike sneakers app on Halloween, including tax. I think it was like a $13 tax. So altogether, it was like $183 altogether. Right now, the shoe is currently going for about $350 to $60 on StockX. These are a size 11. And I've only worn these about 1 or 2 times, and I'm not gonna say I'm really like in love with them, but I like them. They're more of a, like I said, it's just more of like a substitute for the Travis Scott Jordan 1. So I like it overall. And yeah, this sneaker right here was my first time that I ever got through on the Nike sneakers app and actually got a good or a hype shoe on there. So yeah, so I'm not exactly like head over heels over this shoe, but I really like it just because, you know, it's a substitute for that Travis Scott Jordan 1. And, you know, I'll see how long I hang on to these. These are supposed to appreciate in value over the next 18 months or so. So I might hang on to these, or I might short sell them in a few months or so. Yeah, so I may hang on to these. I might sell them soon. And so this is really just a celebratory video for me. You know, I got my first W on Nike sneakers, man. So that was really big for me. So that's really it for like the specs and like the details of this shoe. Really just a basic Jordan 1, similar to that Travis Scott Jordan 1. So now let's get to some B-roll and some on-feet clips. Let's go, let's get into it. Make sure you like and subscribe. osaro.jpeg, Lids and Kicks. More videos are on the way.